Statements. An assertive sentence is a general statement. If it has a positive meaning, it is called an affirmative sentence. Examples. I went to Delhi. Air is essential for life. If the statement has a negative meaning, it is known as a negative sentence. Examples. Kamal is not a doctor. It did not rain yesterday. Affirmative and negative. When we change an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence, we have to add a word, not, N-O-T, not, immediately after the first part of the verb, or, in some cases, after the verb in a sentence. Affirmative and negative sentences for practice. Affirmative.
Money writes a report.
Negative.
Money does not write a report.
Money wrote a report.
Money did not write a report.
Money will write a report.
Money will not write a report.
Money is writing a report.
Money is not writing a report.
Money was writing a report.
Money was not writing a report.
Money will be writing a report.
Money will not be writing a report.
Money has written a report.
Money has not written a report.
Money had written a report.
Money had not written a report.
Money will have written a report.
Money will not have written a report.
Money has been writing a report.
Money has not been writing a report.
Money had been writing a report.
Money had not been writing a report.
Money will have been writing a report.
Money will not have been writing a report.
Practice 2.
Mumbai is on the western coast of India.
It is not on the eastern coast.
Gandhiji liked ahimsa.
He did not like violence.
The children were shouting in the class.
They were not shouting in the class.
The US had made war on Iraq.
It had not made war on other countries.
Raju drives his car fast.
Raju's wife does not drive fast.
Mr. Sharma became a member of parliament.
Mr. Sharma did not become a member of parliament.
Cricketers and cine stars often go to foreign countries.
Teachers generally do not go to foreign countries.
My grandpa had worked in foreign countries.
My father had not worked in any foreign country.
Prem will go to Japan with him.
His wife will not go to Japan next month.
Truth always triumphs.
Falsehood does not triumph at all.
Practice 3. Here is a list of affirmative sentences. Say the negative form of the following sentences.
You should watch television the whole day.
You should not watch television the whole day.
I took your book.
I did not take your book.
I worked very hard for my top position.
I did not work very hard for my top position.
The pilgrims reached the place in time.
The pilgrims did not reach the place in time.
Rajiv and Ramesh have already finished the work.
Rajiv and Ramesh have not already finished the work.
You were late yesterday.
You were not late yesterday.
My father went to Mumbai yesterday.
My father did not go to Mumbai yesterday.
The patient can buy expensive drugs.
The patient cannot buy expensive drugs.
Das is a good boy.
Das is not a good boy.
Rani will have completed the test by 11 a.m.
Rani will not have completed the test by 11 a.m.
Uma likes milk.
Uma does not like milk.
My kite will fly up in the sky. My kite will not fly up in the sky. Farmers plow the field before they sow the seeds.
Farmers do not plow the field before they sow the seeds.
Students learn their lessons regularly.
Students do not learn their lessons regularly.
Some children were writing the exercise in the classroom.
Some children were not writing the exercise in the classroom.
Suresh had been listening to radio since 8 o'clock.
Suresh had not been listening to radio since 8 o'clock.
We watch television during holidays.
We do not watch television during holidays.
Meena and Nina are good friends.
Meena and Nina are not good friends.
You brought your book yesterday.
You did not bring your book yesterday.
The principal is kind-hearted.
The principal is not kind-hearted.
The chair is comfortable to sit on.
The chair is not comfortable to sit on.
Some birds sing.
Some birds do not sing.
My sister goes for a walk.
My sister does not go for a walk.
My uncle will be going to Japan tomorrow.
My uncle will not be going to Japan tomorrow.
Raju is working in a bank.
Raju is not working in a bank.